In this video, I will show you how to change a contact photo in Google Contacts. Once you're on the Google Contacts dashboard, click on a contact you want to change the photo for. It will then open in a detailed contact info view. From here, click on the plus button next to the photo icon. An option will then show where you can select an icon you wanted to use for this profile, or upload an image. For this instance, let's click on Upload. A pop-up will then show. In here, if you want icons as a profile photo, click on Illustration on top. Then, it will show you all the available options. As an example, let's select an icon. It will now bring you to the edit board where you can adjust the appearance of the icon, such as cropping or repositioning it. Once done, click on the Done button. The system will save your selection, and it will now save as the contact photo for your contact. And that's how to change a contact photo in Google Contacts.